What up guys, today I have another update for you. This time around it's called the CoinRyze. Now CoinRyze is a gaming platform, or let me say like an online casino, where you go in with some money and come out rich, or you can either go in with some money and come out broke. But this particular one, there's an exception because they have a Telegram channel that will guide you in a way you can manage your risk of losing all your funds. And there is also probability of getting a refund, like 50% refund, just in case everything goes wrong and you lose all your funds. But there's also an exception there, because not all games are refundable. One more thing I need you to understand about this platform: it's not a passive income platform. You need to be active in order for you to make some money with this platform. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys step by step how to get started and how to play some games, and how you can actually withdraw your funds after making some extra cash with this platform. So guys, if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right now, you need to sit down, relax, and watch this video till the end. Alright guys, in order for you to get started, you need to have an account. And to have an account, there is a link in the description of this video. Go down there, click on it. It's going to take you to a page where you are going to be signing up. To sign up is very easy. It's not complicated. It's not difficult. It's something you can do by yourself. Very, very easy. Just use your email address, create a password, and you are good to go. And then after finish signing up, all you need to do is to log in with the same details you used in creating your account. Alright, so once you log into your account, you are going to be given 1 CRB. That's their native token of this platform, which is not yet launched, but we hope for it to be launched in the nearest future. Okay. Alright, so now in order for you to make money with this platform, you need to make deposit. Now to make deposit, let me quickly show you how you can make deposit. Click on asset over here. Alright, so before I go any further, before I go any deeper in this video, I want you guys to know that this is not a financial advice. I am not giving any financial advice with this video. This video is strictly educational video, just to show you guys how you can take maximum advantage of this platform. That's just what I want to show you guys. Okay, so now if you are interested and you want to deposit and do anything, you have to go and do your own thorough research before you do so. Alright guys, so as for me, you can see on my dashboard already I have about 17 USDT here. That's I deposited only 10 and I've played some games, so I was able to get up to 7 USDT. Let me click on this so that you can see my records. Alright, you can see here are some games I lost some, I win some. You can see here are some recent games I've played. I played some game recently. Alright, so let's continue. I even have one reading right now. I played one right now that is still on. But before I show you guys how to play the game and all that, I want you guys to know how to recharge first, because you need to make deposit. Alright, so all you need to do to make deposit, click over here, click on this recharge. Let me show you. I'll click on it. Right, so if you click on it, to bring it to this page over here. So all you need to do here in order for you to recharge is to just write in this box over here. You're just going to write in this box the amount you want to recharge over here. So you just click and then you write let's say 10. Let's say you want to make deposit of 10 USDT or 100 USDT. All you need to do is to type it there, but the minimum to deposit is 10 USDT. So you can see it has already been selected. Whatever you put in that box will be selected here. Alright, so if the amount you want to deposit is not even available here, you can just go ahead and write it. Just type it here and you are good to go. Your balance will be set up. Alright, so once you click on it, let me just say, okay, let's say it's on 100. Once you click on it, you click on next. Once you finish writing, then you come over here. All you need to do is to click on this address which is over here. You copy, then you go to your wallet and you send the amount you want to pay to the platform. So if it is 100 USDT, you go ahead, you do it that way. If it is 10, you go ahead, you do it that way. So the minimum is 10 USDT anyway. So, and do not forget, you are going to be sending TRC20 USDT over here, not any other USDT. Okay, so you can see already my balance has increased. Let me go back. My balance has increased. Alright, that's good. That's to say that I just won one of the games I just played. You can see I just won one, so I got $1.95. so I just won a game, and that's just it. So alright, before I show you guys how to play the game, you can also make use of this customer service in case you are having issues with the platform. You can see this lady over here. Let me click on it. This lady over here, just click on her and you can ask them any question. If you have one or you have any issue with the platform, you can do that over there. So now quickly let me show you where you can play games. Oh yes, before I forget, this is the CRB that was given to you as a bonus when you sign up. So this is it over here. All right, so now quickly I'll show you guys how to play games on this platform and start earning some USDT. Okay, now quickly, for you to be able to go to the gaming page, you have to click on this where you have to click on this button over here, the blue button in the middle over here. You click on it so that you'll be able to start playing the games and earn the USDT. Okay, now click on it. All right, so after clicking on it, on that button, you are going to come to a page looking like this. This is where everything is happening. This is where the whole game is being played, the whole money is being made on the site. This is where everything is happening. All right, now before you come to the game section, there is also a calculator you can use to calculate your winnings and your losses, stuff like that, how to manage it. Anyway, I will show you that later on, but let me just show you how to play the game, how you can increase your earnings with this game, how you can actually earn some USDT. That is why we are here. All right, so okay, now once you get to this section, I will advise you first take your time to read the rules and regulation, because there you will understand better what the game is all about and how you can win with it. So let me click on it and I'll show you something briefly. I'm not going to be reading all that, no. So okay, now this is it, very simple. Let me just go straight to this part. So once you get to the gaming section, you will notice those buttons that I show you. You will see there is big, there is small, odd, even, big, odd, small, odd, big, even, small, even. Those buttons were right there. So in order for you to understand this, you need to come here and check this place. If you come over here, you see the big button. Let's say for instance you want to play the game and you select the big button. Now, meaning if you select the big button, meaning you are saying every number included in this box there's a possibility that every number included in this box will be coming out in the next 5 minutes. That's what the game is all about. It's all about prediction. You are predicting that in the next 5 minutes, this is a number from this box will be coming up. If you select small, which is over here, the next tab, it means you are predicting everything coming out from here. Not everything anyway, any number from here is coming out. So and this is what you are going to be earning as a result. This is the odd you are going to be using to earn. You understand? So I'll show you how to play the game anyway. Same thing applies here. If you select this box, so it goes for every other boxes you can see here. So these are the most important thing I want you to understand. Then you can take your time to read this page to understand better how this system works. All right, now let me go back to the game and I'll be playing one game for you guys to see. Either I win or lose, I will still show it to you guys. All right, now these are the boxes I showed you guys just now. These are the boxes you'll be using, big, small, odd, even. These are the boxes you'll be using for this game. All right, and once you come over here, up here, this is where you'll be seeing the result. These are the predictions. So meaning the previous game that passed, if we selected small, we are going to be winning because this is the result, and this number is under the small category. So if we selected small, we should be winning with this game. All right, so now quickly we're going to be placing a game right now and we're going to see how we can earn with it. I'll be showing you guys if it's a win or a lose. Anyone is a win or a loss, I'll be showing you guys live and direct in this video. All right, so as for me, I would like to play with $1. Yes, I'll put $1. I've been using $1 anyway. I'll place $1, but now you can use as low as 0.001 to play. No, 0.01 to play. Yes, that's like 1 cent. You can use as low as 1 cent to play. That's the last minimum you can use to play, but I will be going with $1 anyway. Press 1. Okay, now let me predict. Let me guess the number. This is small, right? I think I'll go for big. Let's see, select big over here. Then all you need to do is to click on trading. Now you can see the countdown is on. So there is a countdown and you can see over here, this is it. I'm trading with $1. This is my information, and this was the recent this was the previous result. I am predicting for a higher number, that's why I chose big. So this time around I'm just going to click on trading over here. All right, now I will just have to wait for that countdown to be done. I just got the sound now, meaning the countdown is over. So let me click on my order and I'll be able to check. All right, great, I just won this betting. I just won this game right now. You can see it over here by yourself. It was in profit. It's a profit. So let me even check my balance. Let's quickly check our balance and see if our account has increased. All right, very good. Now you can see I have about $19.90 on my account, so it has increased. So I'm in profit anyway. Now that's just the simple game I've been playing in order for me to build this, increase my account balance. I told you I deposited 10 USDT and now I have 19.90 on my account. Now I just want to quickly show you guys something. Now if you check out these boxes, the ones below, you will notice their odds are higher. So if you use one of these ones, you are going to be earning higher with your trade, with your games. You're going to be earning higher because the odds are higher. Then, but anyway, the risk is yours anyway. Do it at your own risk. All right, now let me show you guys how you can actually calculate your balance and how you can use it on the platform, to how you can program your earnings anyway. So all you need to do once you come here, click on the calculator, which is up here. Click on calculator. All right, so once you get to the calculator over here, like me, I have 19 on my balance. I'm just going to write your full balance, your total balance over here, so it will show you. Okay, I'm going to write 19. All right, then it's going to, let me click calculate. Then you click on calculate. It's going to show you some information so you understand how your percentage and how your earnings could be. So it's just this. Supposing if you are playing with this, if you're playing with this amount, these are the amounts you should be earning. If you're playing with this amount, these are the amounts you should be earning, you know. So it goes on like that. It's very easy. So you take your time to check that out. So and another thing I would like to show you guys before I show you how to withdraw your funds from this platform, you can also click on the invite button in order for you to bring in some other people, or you want to share with your friends, or just click on the invite and you can get your referral link by clicking on it over here. You can see over here this green button over here, just click on it. You're going to get your referral link. That is it. You can just click on the copy, then you are good to. Now quickly let me show you guys how to withdraw your funds from this platform. All right, let's go to assets. Okay, now let's say you've made enough, you know, you've increased your account enough and you just want to cash out. All you need to do is come over here and click on withdraw. Guys, remember, this is a game. Do not be greedy in whatever you're doing. Do not be greedy. So do it at your own risk anyway. So you come over here. All you need to do is to go to you write the amount over here. The minimum to withdraw is 5 USDT. So I'm going to be withdrawing 5 USDT right now. And do not forget that the transfer fee, the transaction fee is 1 USDT. So if you're going to be withdrawing 5 USDT, you are going to be getting 4 USDT. All right, now quickly, let's go. Let me just show you that right here, right now. So you put 5, okay. Then you have to go to your wallet address, go to your crypto wallet address, wherever you want to send the USDT to. Then you copy your wallet address and bring it down here. Then you just paste it in this box over here. Now let me quickly go and copy mine and I'll show you how to do that. All right, so I just finished copying my wallet address. I'm just going to paste it here. Go this way, paste. All right, then all I need to do is submit. Then it's going to ask you to confirm this. I confirm it. All right, good. So we just have to wait and see if we're going to get it in our wallet. I'll definitely be showing you my wallet once I receive this 4 USDT in my. All right, guys. So I got the 4 USDT in my wallet from the withdrawal. Now, I forgot to tell you that you need to also click on the complete button before leaving that page. So you need to click on complete button, then you are going to get the withdrawal in your wallet. Although it took some time, I don't know, it took few minutes before it gets to my wallet, but anyway, I got it in my wallet, and that is just the simple step how you can withdraw and how you can use the CoinRyze application, to make some extra cash. Now, all right, so remember I said they also have a Telegram channel, a Telegram group where they can guide you on helping you to manage your risk so that you don't just lose your funds in the games. So the link will be in the description. You can go there and check it out. And here is also your referral link. You can get it here. Just click on invite here, then you can get your referral code, your referral link that you can share on your social media if you want to invite somebody onto this platform. So that's just the simple things you need to understand about the CoinRyze application, where you can make some money by just playing games. All right guys, so if you like what I showed you in this video, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell sign after subscribing so that you get notified each time I upload another brand new update. So guys, I see you guys again in my next video. Bye.